trading 41,672. Quezzy, what kind of levels are we looking at here in the Nasdaq?
Let's see. Well, I see that we pushed into this daily fair value gap, tapped into these highs. Right now it looks like we're in range. I don't really see any. I see a few. I don't know if we're going to get into it while we at the end of the day, but honestly, it looks kind of range bound for the most part. Man, we had this push long. Seeing that we gathered some more liquidity, but for right now, it looks like we're just moving sideways. I don't really see. We don't really have any much movement. Everything's kind of thinning out, but yeah, still looking to see if we have anything possibly catch up. But yeah, the bias, mostly my whole bias is going long. I've been long this whole day. So if we do continue to stay above this level, I'm guessing above this this daily fair value gap, I'm gonna go ahead and just continue long. But if we continue to push down lower, I'm gonna see if I can find a short, maybe a scalp short. But for the most part, I think we're just moving sideways.
Yes, we are. All right, got a quick Delta update.
Yeah.
Minus 6,400 in the ES, minus 2,500 in the Nasdaq right now. Maybe we get a squeeze going into the close. We got the 3 up right now. Look at Quezzy, the man in the middle. Gabe as well. Hey, this is our first time doing Power Hour, I do believe.
I think so, man. I'm usually on with Dolby.
Yeah.
Let's rock it. All right. Lower end of the range here. Look at the Nasdaq again, 20,281. We got a little buying coming here. We get the upper left-hand corner of the screen, hashtag Power Hour. Again, hit us up at TopStepTV on the X. We'll turn that content around to everyone about 5 minutes before the closing bell. Lower right-hand corner, we will get the countdown clock up there at about 45 minutes till the closing bell, 35 minutes until MOC. Quezzy, your charts are frozen. Would you mind resharing them if you be so kind?
Oh, awesome. Yeah. No problem.
All good.
One sec.
Quezzy sandwich, yep. Take a look at the tilt here. Tilt 50-50 across. I mean, yes, that amazing stuff. Gabe, you're looking to the upside perhaps. Is that just because simply starting to see some clarity on the framework of some of these trade deals, or simply because the boss said, go buy stocks?
I think a little combination of both, but to be real, I'm just kind of going off the technical pattern. I think that we're still kind of basing or consolidating around this lower end of the range. We had to dip down into kind of a swept a lot of these lows from earlier in the morning. We haven't really, sellers haven't really been able to bring us back below the 250s. So if we maintain above these 250s, I would be a little bit more inclined to see maybe a retest back up to at least 20,318 to maybe back up to the upside of this range. But if we break down and maintain strength below the 250s, then I would honestly be looking maybe to retest the 200 level. I think there's another area of demand kind of right below at 20,210 to 200. So that would be kind of my next target if we were to fail at these 260s, 250s.
260, 250. All right, last
just kind of waiting on price. Go ahead, Dre.
Okay, yeah. No. Quezzy, levels you're looking at. You said around the 260s, perhaps. Last trade 270. I mean, looking for some upside movement.
If we can get out. If we can break this range, I'm still long biased, but if we can break this range below this 240 level, I'm definitely going to look for a retracement. But if we stay above, I might just try to catch a scalp long. But if we can get some more volume, then yeah.
Indeed, all
Dre.
right. Yeah,
guess what? You know the time it is. You know what chat's about to say. Chat, guess what? Andre's about to get the house account keys, and I'm driving. So buckle up.
She is.
Andre trading.
All right. All right, here we go.
Andre's trading.
Here we go.
Let's get it.
All right. Ask and you shall receive. Let's do it. Oh, we're going to see. Oh, all right, here we go. Let's see if we've got the brackets on. Do not. Maybe switch off that screen, but we'll rock with it. Here we go.
All right, so Quessy, because this is now Andre doesn't get the opportunity to trade on there very much, so we got to ask you: should we have him trade minis, or do you think we should have him bump down to micros just to kind of get his feet wet, shake the dust off a little bit? What you think?
Oh man, Quezzy, You got
Oh, he's frozen. All right.
He's frozen. He's frozen. All right.
It's in chat's hands. Micros or minis for Dre, chat. What are we doing?
Minis, ES minis. ES
minis. Okay.
Yeah, 100%. Let's go.
I'm seeing 10 mini minimum.
I mean, shoot, we can rock it. We'll see. minis. Everyone in the chat, minis. All right, let's get the above below going as well in the ES. Above below. What? No, Nasdaq's more fun. All right, Gabe, you're driving. You drive. Do it. Take it away. I'll look for trades.
All right, let me switch back to having all 6 charts up here because I know you usually like to have a couple markets on the screen. All right, so last trade, both the indices, the S&Ps and Nasdaq breaking down below at the lower end of its consolidation. ES trading 57.15s, Nasdaq trading 20,275 currently. Nothing really happening on, nothing different happening on the Dow and the Russell. Kind of still low end of the consolidation from the afternoon. Crude oil just chilling, 59.95, hanging out in the middle. Gold looking to push new lows of day potentially, trading around 33.05. But not a whole lot happening on either side. Waiting on Quessy, of course, to join back. And we got to figure this VMix stuff out. Robin DC, now we got Quessy DCing. Hopefully we'll get him back. All right, so
yes, it was. Thank you. Yes, it was.
We got a little momentum to the upside here.
Good catch.
A little bit to the upside, 30 points.
Yeah. Shit. Yeah, that would have been nice. Shoot.
Right, we are pushing.
Yes, we are. Damn it. Could have bought those 15s. Could have bought those 15s instantly. Yep. Damn. Be patient. Not going to chase. See where they want to take the. There might be a squeeze going on here. Ho, feed it to me.
What do we got? All right, so let's see. ES. Do we feel like this is a fake out? Should we be trying to sell the 30s? See if we can push back lower.
I think it's gonna be. I'm guessing they might buy this into the close. I mean, there's no reason to sell it at this point. I mean, we got this negative delta, nice 6,400 in the ES. See if they want to keep popping this. Damn it! Could have bought those 15s instantly. All right,
Quessy's back.
Cool.
Oh yeah, I'm back. Let's go.
All right. Quessy, you in any trades right now? I know we had you DC temporarily there. Are you looking at any positions right now, or are you kind of just watching?
Yeah, just watching, just waiting for a setup. I see that we're pushing our longest. We're pushing.
And new highs broken the range, I should say.
There we go.
Yeah, they popped it.
ES trading above in the 30s. Nasdaq 20,322 last trade. Anything on the wire?
It popped big time there. Saw 57.
Check the juice.
30s. Yeah.
Nothing since about 10 minutes ago.
Okay.
Meta was in talks to deploy some stable coins 3 years after giving up on a landmark crypto project. So let's take a look here. Let me bring up TradingView. Let's look at some of the stocks.
Hey, you got the poll up in the chat. Let this one cook for a little bit. How many prop firms have you been with, right? Have you been with so far? Let this one cook for a little bit. What's the headline? What's the headline?
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah.
Let me see if there's any size on the books here.
Cool.
There's nothing really larger than about 15 contracts to the upside.
500 up at 72 offered. Huh?
You looking at the ES at 72?
I am, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. No. Yeah, Nasdaq really nothing showing.
Could have bought those 15s.
Oh yeah, 550 on 72s. I see that.
What
do we got below us? Anything below size? 150, 143. Nothing major to the downside. Oh, maybe we go push towards those 72s, man. New high of day.
I mean, yeah, if we get this, if the squeeze gets going, by all means. Oh, we can be posted
a little bit of a push, a little retracement. Do we try to enter on this pullback? Maybe just dip our toes in the water with a little one lot? Maybe risk.
Oh,
Yeah, looking at one lot long. Risking maybe, I don't know, 18, 57, 18. So 8 points, 8 handles.
from what price? Right here, I'm seeing it looks like we're kind of in the middle of the range a little bit. I mean, look at the 5 minute. Upper end's 57.30. I mean, if this thing's going to run away, not going to chase. Not going to chase.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
are range.
Oh, but if we get a
Squeeze.
pullback,
Yeah,
that's definitely
Yeah,
what I'm
we
looking
can get a
for.
pullback, definitely.
4,000. Delta is peeling off a little bit. Minus 4,000 in the ES. Mhm.
Order filled.
4,300.
Let me see
Okay.
if when's the last Truth Social post we got here? I don't know if that was just a random injection of volatility or
I mean, come on. What's gold doing right now?
new low of day, trading 32.97.7
Oh.
currently.
Shit, okay.
So looking at kind of an inversely correlated move with the equities right now.
Top of range here.
Last Truth Social post was just about the new Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost,
That's right, Chicago.
the first American Pope.
Mhm.
Trump says, "How exciting! What a great honor for our country."
Uh-huh. You heard it.
Well,
Gold still tanking.
looking, yeah, gold still trading 32.97s. That pullback was nice, but we're not seeing really any continuation quite yet on this move.
I don't see any
The
confirmation.
equities.
Order filled.
This might just run.
Oh, we
This
were
might
pushing.
be marketed in.
Wow.
Shit. Yep.
Wow.
Got those 15s.
That dip, man.
Yep.
Yes.
Hey, what do you? I mean, yeah. Gold still, if they still keep hammering gold, maybe with some more room. Now we're about 10 points off the highs in the ES. 57.41 high day. 57.28 last trade.
Yeah, I gotta, man, if we get a retrace, definitely gonna take this long.
Yeah, I would love to see. So, if we kind of map out the recent impulse that we saw from the lower 14s to the 57.32, I would love to see a pullback to maybe the middle of that, back to the mean, which would kind of be looking around the 22s, 57.22. Give us a little
Order
bit of a better
filled.
discounted price. Kind of sitting around. Oh, here we go. Here we go. But now we just got to pull the trigger.
Hey. Can't go chasing here, Gabe. It's been a minute.
Oh, we're not chasing. This is this is not chasing.
100%.
We're planning.
Riveting this,
Waiting for that pullback.
How deep will the pullback be is the question. Oh, keep me posted on that delta. You growing? Selling those 30s. Might have been the play, Gabe.
Yeah, I mean, we're in a range, right? So it's definitely
Yeah, definitely.
not trying to diddle in the middle, but due to the strength of this last move, I would be curious if taking a stab at a long to push back up to the higher extreme of the days, let's say the lunch hour highs that we made.
Yeah.
Was it you
I
in?
might just wait for
That's what I
these
would like to see.
wait for these candles to print in the next 2 minutes before I might take this long.
What time frame are you looking at for a candle closure, Quezzy? What are you trading on mainly?
15, 30 minute.
28. All right.
15, 30 minute? Okay.
What am I
got
seeing?
that
I'm seeing we
closure
are in
coming
a
in.
range, and it looks pretty quiet right now. That's kind of what I'm seeing right now. It's we got earnings
And our
after
range
the bell.
trader is out of office today.
That's right. So I'm not seeing a whole heck of a lot right now. 15s, pull the trigger on that. But besides that, just gonna chill. On the hour coming in about 90 seconds, and
Order filled.
we got almost seen about 20 minutes after that. Right now,
All
just
right,
gonna
so
wait.
Dre, about 60 seconds ago, U.S. weighs plans to slash China tariffs to as low as 50%, down from 145% as soon as next week. Sources from the New York Post. Specifically,
Okay.
U.S. officials are discussing a proposal to lower the levy on China's goods to between 50 and 54% as they
Okay.
begin what promise to be lengthy talks to hammer out a trade agreement, sources close to negotiations said.
Well, that's probably, yeah. The president did say buy
That's
it,
probably
so
what
Probably
did it.
Biden.
yeah. Incredible. Let's tilt.
That push, though, came out before that released, so I'm not sure if somebody got the
It
news
did.
a little early, but that would definitely be bullish.
Yeah.
This is not financial advice, of course, but that would make me feel a little
No.
bit more bullish.
Yeah, negative delta keeps growing though. I mean, we've seen they'll hold it up here, or they'll put a top on it. Bond's still going lower. Bond's going lower. Okay, bond's going lower. Yield's going higher.
Real quick, y'all, remember VIP form number 13 is pinned to the top
Yeah.
of the chat. If you have not hit that already, that will be out at the or taken down at the end of Power Hour when we close the day up here. So make sure if you have not submitted it yet today, get your name in the hat. Get another entry into the upcoming VIP drawing in June.
Just waiting pattern right now.
Overstable says bullish would be removal of tariffs. I'd say even a reduction would kind of lean a little bit more to the strength side.
Yeah.
I mean, a removal would probably be a blow off top, but if we can get a little reduction, I think that would still build some confidence in the direction that we'd be heading. But once again, I'm not an economist, so I don't put a lot of weight on what I have to say. I'm just reading technical pattern more than anything.
We just play one on TV, Gabe.
Yeah.
27.
And throw up hundreds of disclosures.
Yes, we do.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna go test these highs. Looks like Nasdaq's gonna be
Here's on
pushing, leading the way higher here. I know I like the longs.
Aaron, yes, we were supposed to know the drawing is in June. The drawing is in June, but I'm not giving you the date.
Yes.
But you know it's coming soon. Season 3. Quessy, are you getting your name in the hat for that VIP season?
It's 4,600.
Wait, say it again?
Are you getting your name in the hat? Are you filling out any of these check-in forms for the VIP? Are you playing any top quiz? You have not been in VIP before, right?
Yeah. No. I've actually filled out, I think, a few months ago, but never signed one ever since.
Okay.
We have it up right
Maybe
here.
while you're here, fill in that check-in form number 13 that's pinned in the top of the chat real quick and get at least another one in there for you.
Good.
I see if the sellers want to keep pushing it lower. Tapped on the 30s. Now we're trading 26, 57, 26 in the ES. Maybe take a long round 57.20 if it comes down there. It depends how we get there. If there's volume behind it, and they keep putting a cap on this with the negative delta. So definitely in the back of my mind.
Yeah, I'm with you, man. I like the 20s. I think that once again, that kind of puts you in more of a discounted range of this recent breakout segment. I think that it would be better to manage risk because your risk would be pretty much just slightly below the 13s. If we were looking to just keep it tight with the recent low. Reward to risk would probably look pretty healthy. See what the reward to risk would look like on the 20s. Even to, you can get about it's just to the high, just to 33s, you can get about a 2-to-1 from the 20s to 57.30. If we make a new high of day, then we'd be looking at about a 3-to-1. Okay.
57.25. Well, how are we looking on the clock? About 16 minutes till MOC. Still haven't taken a trade. Not going to chase. 50-50 on the tilt. Anything coming out on the wire? Anything hitting? Nope.
60% long on ES, but yeah, Nasdaq's pretty split. Crude oil is also pretty split. Gold is leaning a little to the long side, 55% long in gold. Gold's kind of bottoming out a little bit right now. Trading 3,300. All right, here
Let
we
me know
go,
if
Jay.
gold-
We're getting that pushed down.
Let's see if they hammer gold.
Yes.
Yeah. 57.23 last trade. Is gold trading around the lows? I have it up.
We are about $10 an ounce off the lows right now, roughly.
All right. $24s. How much more are they going to pull this thing back? 50-50 on the tilt.
And you said you was looking at the 720 level? Possible long?
In the ES, yeah, right around there.
57.20s.
Yeah. Okay.
Kind of correlate with the 290 level in the NQ.
Yeah.
Oh, how's it looking? How's it looking now?
Yeah, we're reaching, man. We're retracing. If I see we respect that level, I might take that long.
Around 20?
And there's a little fair value
Yeah.
gap between 22 and
Oh,
20.
90.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Little order block at 57.20 or 290 in the Nasdaq.
Right.
I think one more
5-minute
flush
candle.
lower here.
Yeah.
James, while you're back there real quick, we're waiting for this market to do what we want it to do. Can you throw up those top quiz winners real quick for me?
There you go. Nice 5,400 on the Delta in the ES.
Here are your top quiz winners. Special shout out to Feet Smella.
Oof.
Best name up there.
Good Lord. Good Lord. Deep Dish.
Gotta love it.
Ticks Too Hot for TV. Gucci Mane.
Hey, I like that. Gucci Mane.
There we go. Shout out to DJ Khaled. You got All I Do Is Win. All you did is win.
What do they get? What do they get if they win top quiz? What was that?
Whoa.
Oh, there's that
Yep.
flush. Okay, there's a little bit more
Yep,
strength
hold
than
on,
I'd
hold on.
like
Yeah,
to
yeah.
see. So at this point, I wouldn't be buying this dip currently. I'd wait for a little bit
I
of
just did. I just bought two.
maybe a push.
Long
bought
two now. Yeah, long two
Micro
from
or ES?
minis 57.18, 57.18 half, long two.
Wow, you bought this.
Where's your wrist, Dre?
57.03. 57.03.
James.
Oh, I know. You see what James just put in there? Uh-huh.
I just did. I bought two.
Uh-huh.
Oh man. It's like,
What's that Delta looking like, Hogue? What's that Delta looking like? Come on. It's about two. Well,
Oh, we're getting a nice little bounce though. I mean, think about
Mhm.
we're retesting that area of consolidation before that breakout. So I don't mind the location. It's just the fact that if sellers were to continue breaking through with some strength, that'd be a pretty quick
Mhm.
stop out. But the fact that buyers are trying to step in, I think that's a good sign. Where'd you say your risk was? Are you looking at 12s or your stop at?
03, somewhere around 03, 57.03, somewhere around there.
I got you.
Yeah.
That gives us a little bit of room, man. I don't
Wow.
mind it. What's the risk on that?
Nice.
Dollar wise,
Yeah.
1,500.
Okay.
No, those are just
Man,
emergency.
talk about getting your feet
nice.
wet. You're just kind of diving
in
in, aren't
case-
you?
Nice.
Yeah, in case emergency break glass type stop.
Oh,
That's
good.
pretty much
Getting
what
a
that
good
is. Yeah.
response.
Well, MOC. I mean, 12 minutes to MOC. Definitely not going to take this into MOC. We'll see what they want to do here. If that negative
we
delta
got
keeps
time.
growing, yeah.
The closure above 22 would be great. Closure above 22
Yeah.
would be great. If you're an NQ trader,
I'm
that
kinda
would be a
sitting on hands.
closure
I'm just-
through the 300s. Go ahead, Quasi. Sorry, brother.
What's gold doing?
I know, I'm
Gold.
sitting on hands until I get a little bit more confirmation. It's a little bit more.
All right, a little more off the wire. Tariff uncertainty could potentially push back Fed rate moves to late 2025.
Shit, come on.
Also, Vance,
Wow.
Vice President Vance, if Russia is not negotiating in good faith, the U.S. will walk.
Great.
Wow.
Is gold moving at all?
Gold is still trying to push higher at the moment. Trading 33.03s currently.
Okay.
Looking to retest your entry at 18s. S&Ps, Nasdaq trading 20,278. Dow and Russell also trying to
Order
roll over slightly.
filled.
Crude oil doing absolutely nothing.
I missed the MOC.
All right, Dre. So
yeah,
talk through us. Are you going all in, all out? You looking to add to this at all? Or are you looking to peel as we go up?
It depends on how close we get to MOC. If we get to MOC, this market's not moving. I'll cut. I guess I'll cut it one way or another going into MOC.
Okay.
Just try and play the bottom end of this range. That sell candle looks like maybe a little overextended. I mean, nothing really hitting the wire that would say more volume to the downside. And we like the level of 57.15, 57.17. So we got it. Where are they going to take this though? Unreal.
I like your stop location though, because I know that's just an extreme kind of emergency stop. But if we briefly take out those 11s, the lows of this extreme low of the range, we could sweep right back above. If any trap any sort of sellers or potentially catch any early longs, and maybe push back to the higher end of the range. So if you're committed to that risk, then I'd say
order filled.
A potential sweep of those 11s to see if we get a bounce.
Delta keeps growing. They keep 7,300 on the Delta. Man, oh man.
BK says, "Buckle up, boys."
Oh yeah, man.
When Andre took the keys, I double buckled. Honestly,
it's been a minute. What are we doing on the clock? 9 minutes. All right, we're all right.
Tech says, "Are you drunk? Who's longing this?" Plenty of people are probably trying to long the bottom of this range, my friend.
I mean, the boss said get long, buy it. So 500 lot just came in on an offer. 57. What was it? 57.13. The orders.
Yep.
Order filled.
There's 177 on the bid at 57.10, which is why I wouldn't mind seeing maybe a little slight sweep below those 11s to catch those.
Order filled.
Those bidders. The next real piece of size, and it's really not even that much size, would be about 200 or 195 on 5,700 even.
Okay. Gold selling off, or are they buying up gold?
We are currently stuck at resistance at around 33.05, retesting the lower end of where we broke out initially.
Okay. All right. Take that. We lost Quezzy. He's dropped off. Oh, man.
And what is up with us today?
I don't know. They're going to keep selling this shit.
Tilt is 50-50 dead even right now in the ES. Nasdaq is 56% short.
Okay.
Gold is 58% long. Crude oil 56% short. A little over 7 minutes until MOC. Nothing new on the wire.
Thank you.
Still waiting on Quezzy.
Quezzy, where'd you go? What are they doing with gold? What are they doing with gold, man?
Andrew says, "Andre, relax. You got this, boy."
Oh, appreciate that. Yes, indeed. Well, we need to start buying this thing because MOC's in 7 minutes. But the boss said get long, and you got the pullback. I mean, 57.14 lower end of the 5-minute range. We'll see.
CJ, this is not straight up gambling PA right now. This is just prime range conditions.
Man. Harsh already.
We've accepted
top quiz.
Order filled.
Yep. 400, down 400, down 600, unrealized right now. They're going to keep selling this. Unreal.
Let's see.
Order filled.
Leah, rewind the stream.
Order filled.
Was that 3 or 4 minutes ago? We hit top quiz winners.
Oh, yeah. What else we got? We'll see in 6 minutes. Quezzy, I see you. What's up, Quezzy? You back?
I think you're muted.
Man.
It's just one of those days, dude.
I mean, it really is. It
Rookie
really is.
mistake.
Oh,
One of
good.
those days, yeah.
Oh, good.
Uh-huh.
Left the charger out, man.
No,
Oh,
really?
no.
Come on. Come on. What
Yeah,
happened?
yeah.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I don't know. Like you said, it's one of those days, man.
All right, man. If we can just find some bidders here. Got that 57.11 or 57.11 level approaching. Low of the
Right
range.
now.
We got
Gotta hold.
demand.
Gotta hold.
Yeah. We got demand at around 57.06 and 3/4.
Yeah, if we hold this level, man, I'm taking this long.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Better
I'm
entry
taking this
around
long.
here.
If we hold this level,
Nothing on the tilt. Oh, how we looking? Is it up to above minus 8,000 in the ES? Yep, minus 8,100. They keep piling in here. Now time to squeeze. The squeeze needs to happen.
Yeah. Agreed. Just do it already.
No. Damn it, no.
All right, here's the push. We tried.
MOC is going to
A
get
quick
it.
little
MOC is
flush
going
and rebound. Yeah, we got about what 5 minutes until MOC.
to. Yeah.
You said you're going to cut bait regardless, right?
Yeah.
Order filled.
Have to. That's gambling. That's gambling. Holding it into MOC. That's for reversal
All right,
challenge
here's the
stuff.
flush.
Yeah.
Here's the flush. We need to bounce off those 57.06s like immediately.
Yeah, they're gonna come tag me. Here we go, and right off my VWAP at 57.03. It's got to hold 200 lot. Came in on the
Ooh,
bid.
here's
200 lot
that.
came. Another 200 lot coming in on the bid. 57.07s. Buyers coming in trying to defend it right now. Let's see.
Retesting demand again.
Order filled.
Looking
Yep.
looking a little weak.
It's looking. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. It's got a hold right here. They're gonna get it. They're gonna tag
Just
it.
take it.
Overnight VWAP.
Order filled.
I get it. Overnight
57.04
VWAP.
last trade. 57.04 even.
Hold this thing.
If
we
we
look on the
bounce
clock? How we
from
look on the
here, I
clock?
swear, bro. We got 3.5 minutes. And he's gone.
Was he's gone? Man.
Yeah.
Stop a point lower.
Oh my gosh. If we rally from here, I'm gonna
they'll go tag it one more time.
I mean, what's 2 contracts to them, right? Who needs them?
I know. Stop a little lower. Might come get us right now. What are we looking at?
Huckleberry
MOC.
says,
Yeah.
Ooh.
A little lower. Stop loss a little lower. I know. I feel that stop loss a little lower. They keep holding it. Keep defending it.
It's trying.
Yeah, it is. Come on.
It's trying.
Yep. Who got in there?
Mike says, Andre, is MP pulling the strings? No, MP is Island Mike right now. He is out of office.
Pray more. Hey, we'll see. MOC 2 minutes. 2 minutes till MOC. Are we gonna do that? It was ES, then NQ, then YM. All right. Come on,
Robert,
squeeze
if
him,
you're
Hogue.
back there, can you send me the MOC when you see it?
Nice 9,300. 9,300. They're adding to these shorts. Pop this thing.
See what gold's doing. Gold's trying to pop, man. Gold's trading 33.10.
That's not good.
Yep.
That's not good.
Crude oil trying to finally break out of the range to the upside. Last trade $60 even.
Okay.
All the equities kind of rolling over.
Check the news. What we got in the news? Oh, see the tax hike on the wealthy who earn 2.5 million or more. Oh, well, what the hell?
Not a huge
Man,
fan
really?
of what I'm seeing right now.
When did that come out? 41 after? Damn.
I don't like that closure.
Me neither, Gabe. Me neither. I'll tell you that. Me neither. How are we looking at MOC? And we got less than 45 seconds. Damn it.
All right, well,
Yep.
you gonna cut it,
Yep.
or are we just gonna let it ride with a stop at 57.03?
Definitely cut it. I have to. How much time we got?
20 seconds, 29
20
seconds.
seconds. Yep. Damn it. Get back in. All right, Flannel out, down, $1,200, $1,250. Yeesh, yikes! All right, let's see what this one wants to do. Man, oh man.
Order filled.
If it rallies from here, I'm gonna be so sad.
Order filled. Order filled.
Get back in. And we'll see in 2 seconds.
And there would have been a stop out.
Yep.
Oh, maybe not. 503.57. Oh, there's the stop out.
Oh, heavy sell side. My 2 billion sell side S&Ps, 500 million sell side Nasdaqs, 750 million sell side Dow. There you go. All right. That's why you cut it. Wow. Where do they
All
want to
right,
take this?
getting a nice
Look at this.
flush. I'd be willing to buy those 56.90s.
Yep. Definitely looking to
Make
get
it down
one.
there.
Let's see if keep buying this MOC. MOC still 2 billion sell side S&Ps, 500 million sell side Nasdaq. He's going to unwind this entire rally.
Imagine we make new lows a day.
Oh, I mean, it would be incredible. Absolutely
That would
incredible. Hey,
be
3,300 people tuned in right now for Power Hour. We are selling off right now. Click like, follow, and subscribe. Last trade 56.93. You want to dump this? What is this? The tax hike? Is that what this is? This headline's a tax. All right. Those 90s, Gabe. 90s.
Oh, I know.
Shit. Nasdaq up against overnight VWAP. 700.
We got like 5 more points to go.
Oh man.
691 is where I'd like to see us retest. But take out that low from 1030. Question is, will we see it?
Let's see this MOC flip. If
Joe
this MOC
Black
goes,
says, you guys never listen.
I mean, hey, let's talking more trading. I mean, what do he wants to do?
Abraham, top quiz winners were already dropped.
Order
about
filled.
10 minutes ago, maybe 15. Rewind.
Gabe, I do believe we have some housekeeping to do.
We do, but guess what? I think today.
Really?
Now Tim's directing, so I think today we skip that series 3, and we just go straight into some Power Hour content. James,
Order filled.
Unreal.
Yeah, you want to see some Power Hour? You want to see some Hour of the Power? I got it for you.
Hour of the Power.
Here it is.
Let's run through them.
From James Hansen. Wow, tape bombs both sides. One to get filled at VWAP, and the second bomb teleporting me to my take profit for an almost instant $500. Good work there, James. Oh, I'm blocked by the positions. From KT, 4,000, another one, 7,000 total payout for the week, 18K year to date in profits. Thank you, TopStep, for giving retail traders an opportunity to trade and making this possible. I went from losing combines and XFAs last year to getting my first payout this year.
Oh yeah.
That is what we'd love to see. That's a perfect Power Hour submission. So thank you, KT. From Nick, about to request 15K from TopStep after market close. Forever grateful for the opportunities prop firms give me and others. Nick, we hope to see your name on our top 5 payouts tomorrow, if that's true. And Just wait, man. Once that money hits your bank account,
Order
no better
filled.
feeling. Talking about money hitting bank accounts, Zamco, one of our guests from earlier this week,
Oh yeah.
sharing his $22,500 payout from TopStep. He says, thanks a lot. No, Zamco, thank you. You
Zamco.
did that. And, special shout out. I had to close out Power Hour with one of our own from TopStep TV.
Yeah.
Hope is
Oh,
in
good
Chicago.
gosh.
He's on a mission from
There it
God.
is. Wow. Who did that one?
Shout out to JD. Creative did
Love
that,
it.
but JD threw it in chat and
Nice.
tagged our creative team.
Order
That's right,
filled.
boys. We got Chicagoan in there. Anyway, that's all your Power Hour content for today. Send it to you guys
Thanks,
and close
James.
us out. Take us home.
Thank you, James.
Appreciate it.
All right. We got
Anne Marie, 50% of the last swing high low, and ES is 56.93. We are basing right
93s?
off of 56.93.
Here we are.
I'm like $700 from passing this combine. I'm literally about to just take a one lot
Must be
56.90s,
long
but
here.
I'm driving.
691. They keep selling this thing, Gabe.
All right.
We'll see what happens here.
Here's that push.
Bam. All right. I'm long too. Oh, shoot.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Oh,
Stops.
yeah. Oh. Stops in for sure. 56.77. What did MOC do? Oh, no. Oh, man. MOC. Oh, we're going to field day with this one. Uh-huh.
I don't see an update to those numbers yet.
4 minutes to go. 692. They're just going to wind this entire damn rally all day. Oh, man. Go figure.
Vice President Vance says tax bill will grow the economy. And then Vance also said Musk is not disappearing. More waste can be found.
Oh, real. Oh, man. What a rug pull
Wow.
indeed. MOC starting to turn around a little buy side. We're starting to get closer to neutral, I should say. See if they can turn this thing around.
Kwesi sends his best regards.
Oh,
his computer
thank you.
overheated, so he is out.
What? Oh, no. Overheated. Oh, man.
Goes from having the charger not plugged in to computer overheating, man. Just one of those days. All right. What do we got here?
Order filled.
We got 3 minutes. Come on. 56.85 last trade. House is long from 92. Hello. Oh, man. Hello.
Yeah, Kwesi, one of those days, dude. We appreciate you coming on for a few, man. Always good to see you.
Yeah, it is.
Order filled.
I remember my first try. Hey, for real. Hey, it happens. What are you gonna do? Got the risk. Oh man, it's been a minute. First day back after a couple of days off, just jumping in it, and hey, we'll see what happens. We got what? 3 minutes. 3 minutes till the close. What MOC? Boss said bye. What are we doing? Oh, I'm gonna get it. I'm just gonna puke this entire fucking. Nope.
Where are the buyers?
They're not here. No idea.
They're
I know, man.
not
For real,
here.
Big Mike. For real. You know, what we have after the bell, we got some earnings. We got Coinbase. We got Monster. We got DraftKings as well after the bell. Stay tuned for At the Buzzer. Coach Paul and Jay. What's up, Quasi? Computer overheated. We're looking on the clock, Gabe. About 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Turn this thing around. We buy more.
Come on, buyers.
Yeah. Hey, that's what it's turned into.
And shout out to Robin. I don't know if y'all caught Robin's segment, but that was clip worthy. We are going to have to clip that whole segment and post it separately like we do with some of the other performance coaches we've had on. But that was a fantastic time spent. Hogue did a great job just letting her take the floor. She was on a roll. Can't wait to get her back.
What's that delta at? It kept going 9100 negative in the ES. We got 90 seconds till the close. these shorts want to cover, or these MOC sellers want to come in and just keep hammering this thing. Oh, my 17,000 Hogue. Oh, geez. Shit. Yeah.
Yikes.
Yep.
Yikes. Watch, the rally won't come in until after the bell.
I know.
Last hour, once earnings drop, that's when we're going to rip higher.
Nasdaq went buy side, unreal. S&P's trying to get closer to buy side. Well, what are you gonna do, man? Oh man, this is why I drive. This is why. Yeah, I know Trump said buy.
Order filled.
Trump said buy for real.
Order filled.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. What a sell off, man! Oh man, just absolutely unwound this whole rally.
I mean, last time he said buy, it was a complete
order filled
blow off top. He says it this time, and he called the top.
I know this delta, my 17,000. That's going to be an issue. All right, 10 seconds. I got to flatten this. Was a trade? Yep.
Oh man,
yeah,
you shook it off, right? Got back in the water.
Oh yeah. Oh good, and flat, and all. All right, down
well,
$1,800.
There is the bell.
Shit, yeah, fuck. Yeah, back to my trade vocabulary. All right, yeah, good stuff, Gabe. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you driving now. You got this, Gabe. Take us out of here, man.
All right, y'all. Dre, it was a blast. Quezzy, thanks again for joining us for the few minutes we had you, man. Always a blast. Y'all, it was a great day. Lots of just fantastic guests. We're super grateful to have you as always. I'm going to go ahead and go over the schedule. Obviously, we are done for the day show, but stick around. We do have At the Buzzer with Coach Jay and Coach Paul coming up here right on YouTube at 3:15 Central. And then let's go over tomorrow's schedule. And make sure you also check out Slow Markets this evening. Slow Markets, let's see who's joining Dakota. It's actually going to be Barron. Now, Barron was out for Fast Markets this morning with a migraine, so hopefully he is feeling better, back to himself, and we can see him on Slow Markets with Dakota this evening. So come back, hang out with us this evening. But tomorrow, Friday, so we got the London Open with Aaron Luce at 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Tomorrow, we have Coach Hoop joining us for opening call. We got Coach Dakota and Mohammed for Fast Markets. Peter Tuckman coming in with the energy to close out the week, giving us the rundown of what he's been seeing. And then we have Federico. Federico is a new guest of ours. He's a VIP trader on Deanna's Chameleonaires. Closing up season 2, want to hear about his journey in the VIP program. Then we have Hoop and Hogue joining JD for Lunchbox Trading. Then we have myself and Hecker playing Top Quiz. So come back and play Top Quiz with us tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central. Then we got Ben T, big board trader. Ben T is just climbing the ranks, and he's going to be trading up with us in Back to the Futures at 1 p.m., 1:15 after Top Quiz, excuse me. And then we have a special guest that you have not seen in quite some time, but he is a fan favorite. We got Zona in the building, the myth, the legend, with Coach Jay as well, joining Andre and Dolby for the Reversal Challenge. So it's going to be quite a fun day. We're going to close out the week strong. But that's it. So as Eddie would say, now is your time. Get some rest, get up, stretch, take a walk outside, go touch some grass, get some nutrition, food, brain power, and then we will see you back for At the Buzzer. But that's all for me. You guys have a blessed evening, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care.